Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to send feedback to PhotoDirector. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Well, right now all we're gonna look at is how to send the feedback. At the top left, you can see a button like this right here. Simply click on it right now. Once you click on it, this thing will open up. As you can see, there are lots of options. Right now what you guys need to do is simply scroll down to the very bottom and you will see something called as FAQ and send feedback. Click on this button right here. And guys, this is it. This is the page we are looking for. As you can see, this is the FAQ page, and at the very bottom you can see a button like this that says send feedback. Click on it right now. Well guys, right now all you have to do is simply enter your email address right here along with the issue that you are facing. Do note that you can also add a screenshot. Once you've done that, simply click on the done button at the very top. Afterwards, PhotoDirector will communicate with you with the registered email address. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. That's how we send feedback to PhotoDirector. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.